Now, in case of predictive dialing, again, we have the AMD option over here. Now, through various algorithms, it predicts how long a particular agent spends on a call, firstly, and secondly, we have the match spacing ratio also introduced over here. Now, it says as 2 written over here. This means for one agent, 2 simultaneous calls would be initiated. So again, to reach out to your mass audience. Now, a question can arise. Let's say there are 50 agents and let's say 100 calls have been initiated. So now if the first call gets connected, the second call automatically gets dropped. So now there can be a lot of call drop also in this scenario. What we can do, we can define a call drop ratio, which has been defined as 5% for now. So for example, if the call drop ratio reaches a 5% mark, automatically the pacing ratio would be changed from 2 to 1 over here. This means for one agent, 1 call would be initiated. So this was regarding how the predictive works. Similarly, over here, we can define, for example, with the system disposition. So if you think that, okay, if an answering machine was detected on the other side, the call should be again initiated after 2 hours. Similarly, if the user was busy, the call should be initiated after 10 minutes, and this is editable. So if I think that 10 minutes is very less, it should be around 1 hour, for example, we can always do that. So this is the system disposition. So whatever the system disposition has been selected, we can have the retry time over there itself. So these are the various system dispositions. And now we also have added user disposition retry time. Now, according to the disposition that have been selected by the agents after the call ends, we can have the retry time accordingly. Now, for example, if the agent has selected, let's say, complaint over here. Now we think that, okay, if this particular customer has selected complaint, we should call him again after 22 hours as defined over here. So first, initially, we just had the system disposition retry time, but now we have also included with the user disposition retry time, where the retry time can be configured according to the disposition selected by the agents.